So I start with about a pound of green beans. I like For Earth Farms. I get this at grocery outlet. It's not very expensive. But I use 2 bags for this recipe. Organic, of course. And then here's my baking soda I used to wash. So pour it in there and rinse, rinse, rinse. Make sure you're thoroughly getting rid of all the debris, dirt, whatever. Some people add vinegar to it too. I don't know. I just do baking soda or vegetable wash. Rinse it, get rid of all the stuff. Rinse it out. Rinse it out. Now they've been properly washed and I'm getting ready to cut. It's very hard to do this while I'm holding the camera in my other hand, but cut those tips off because they're so fibrous, it's really hard to digest or swallow. Cut those tips off, put them in your compost bin when you're done. That's what I do. And that's it. Here's my tips. And my green beans are in here, in my baking pan. That's what I'm gonna bake them in. Then I get some organic olive oil and I drizzle that on there. This sea salt. This one's from Trader Joe's. It's not my favorite, but it's good enough. And then that's it. Mix it, mix it. And then I cover it with, aluminum. So the aluminum isn't touching my food, okay? I bake them in the oven at 360 for like an hour, but you could do it less. You could do 30 minutes if you want them crispier. 1 hour later, this is how I like them, super soft, super soft. If you like them a little crispier, bake them for less time. Bake them for half an hour. Bake them for 45 minutes. I use it as a side dish to all my meats. Enjoy!